You guys did really good with these transformations in class. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this homework really quickly. I think you're going to do okay. Just watching what you guys were doing in class, I think you're going to do really well with this stuff. So let's take a look at moving each of these. Remember, if I'm reflecting, basically I'm doing a perpendicular from a point. That's the construction we do. So perpendicular from a point means I need the arc. Let's extend my line a little bit. And then from each point, I use the same measurement. And it's at using the same measurement part that keeps us the same distance from my line of reflection. So there's A prime. Let's see, let's get C. Okay, got to extend way out and make my cross here. So I'm looking at that. That was a pretty bad line, but we'll go with it. Like I said, we're not building bridges here. If I were building a bridge, I'd want to be a little more consistent. So there's my C prime. And then lastly, we'll get B prime. So B, let's bring this in some so I can actually hit my lines. Oops, still missed. Continue to extend the line. So let's see, I think I used the inside. There's my B prime. And we just connect the dots. And there we go. We reflected that piece. You can check your reflections by go ahead and take your straight edge and connect the 2 points that come together, A and A prime. If your straight edge looks like it's perpendicular, then you did all right. B and B prime, hey, look at that. That's pretty perpendicular. Okay, so that's one way you can check to see if you've got the right reflection or not. When we go to number 2, notice point C is on the line. So point C is not going to reflect. It's going to stay right there. So we really only need to move A and B. So let's move A. I can already see I'm going to have to extend my line on this one. There's no way around it. So I'm going to, you know what, let's just extend it all the way to both sides. So let's see, that's going to put, let's see, I use the inside. And again, always visualize where it's going to flip over to. So that your X is in the close vicinity. There's A prime, and I'll do B now. Oops, I didn't. See, that's what happens when I don't visualize. I didn't catch it well. So I'll come back over here and finish that line off. There we go. So here's B prime. And we connect the dots. C is going to be itself. So there's that. There's that. And there is that. And I might even call this C prime just to say, oh, look, it didn't move. Okay, so there's your first set of reflections. Next one's a little challenging.